How to edit a picture on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can edit a picture on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to edit a picture on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open up your Photos application, go to your library and just select the photo that you would like to make the edit to. So let's say that this is the photo. Now in order to edit this, if you look at the very top, you'll find the edit button there. So just tap the edit button and you should be able to set different sort of crop tools and auto tools and so on. So at the first you have exposure. You want to customize that, and brilliance or highlights or shadows or whatever else it is you prefer. If you look at the bottom, you have the filters, that there are different types of filters that you can choose to use from here. You can also go ahead and then crop the certain portion of the video that maybe you might not want, and then to save the changes just tap the done option from the top right in order to save the changes. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically edit a picture on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.